Not much really, why?
You took it to get a full fucking,
Oh, only a couple sticks now.
full tuna.
Yeah.
On the thing? Yeah. Well, where's the Ahmed thing?
I'm picking up tomorrow.
Yeah. Where's Ahmed?
Yeah. Okay. Sweet, gotcha.
Where's Ahmed's car?
Go to desktop,
Yeah, that's right.
like minimize everything.
Yeah.
There's a folder there called Sysort. It's in there now.
Where?
It's right in the centre.
Alright. Yeah, check out this, man. You trip out, bro. Ahmed's car today. You go pick it up. High tech. It's right next to Bastani, man. That jumping shit. High tech, what's that? Cool, high tech. That can't, gig you can't do. Sam, man, stupid. G-Tech, sorry, G-Tech. Yeah,